It's Tuesday, April 4th, 2017. I was lucky enough to get the day off of work, and the conditions look like they'll be okay for the first few hours, so I decided to go out and try for some fish.
I understand. Well, hey, thanks for being here, and you have a good day. Yes, stay safe. See you soon.
It's looking like it can be a pretty easy launch if I time it right. There were a couple pretty good sets coming, but it looks like it'll be pretty doable. Pretty happy the launch was smooth, first launch of the year. Now let's paddle out and get some fish before the wind picks up soon. Slow fishing makes your fingers cold. I'm starting to get a little anxious here. I know the wind's going to pick up, and I really don't want to go back to the beach without fish on board. First fish on, baby. Get that skunk off my kayak. My first rockfish of 2017 on my favorite squid jig. Oh, what's that? Little happy tappy? This good-sized greenling really made my day. They sure are good on the smoker. A swing and a miss.
Cabby. Squid jig, baby.
Selfie time.
Wish it was open.
I really like eating these crab munchers, but cabezone season is closed. Around 9:30, the wind really started picking up down there, so I decided to head for the beach, and I went down around the Depot Bay area where it's a little more protected from the southeast wind, and managed to pick up a couple legal lingcods before the wind picked up down there, and I decided to call it a day.